Video, I will be showing you how to use Herculist Plus to advertise your website to thousands daily for free. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this. If you're an affiliate marketer looking to drive traffic to your website for free on autopilot, go ahead and click the link in the description to create your free account. You can paste the website that you want to promote right here and click the Get Started button. And you get a $5 sign-up bonus just for creating your free account. You can see here there's currently over 90,000 members in this platform. Why Herculist? Herculist is trusted. It has been in business for over 20 years. You can use this as a mailer where you send out an email to the 90,000 plus members, and you can be rest assured that you're getting 100% real traffic. As these members are logging into the back office, they will get the opportunity to see your ad among other ads that they will be presented with. There's powerful tools that you can use to set up your ads. I'm going to show you that. And you can actually earn up to 50% commissions, and these are paid out within 24 hours of you requesting them. This is a great platform for you to connect with like-minded professional business opportunity seekers, right? So what you want to do is you want to literally create your free account, and once you create your free account, you will have access to this back office here. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways which you can use this platform to start to drive traffic to your website for free. The first one is the ad mailer, where you can send out an email to the members of Herculist. And the second is I'm going to show you how to use the zone so you can view other websites in exchange for views to your own site. And the last one, I'm going to show you how to set up Hercublibs so that you can have your ads appearing in the back office for other people to see. So the emailer is the easiest and most straightforward way, so I'm going to start with that. So what you want to do is, once you're in this home here, what you want to do is hit submit email, and that's going to take you to this button here, this location here. And all you do to submit your email is you paste the subject line here, paste the website that you want them to go to there, and then put the body of your email there and click submit. Now, how often you can use this mailer depends on your membership level. As a gold member, you can send an email every single day, and they actually send you out an email to remind you to send your daily email. And as a free member, I think it's 3 days that you have to wait to send out your email. So that's the first way that you can use. Simple and straightforward. You can come in here and email those 90,000 plus members. The second way is you can create an ad like this, right? So these are called Hercublibs. You can have them appear as members go in and out of the different pages in the back office. And in order to use this for free, you have to accumulate enough credits. So the way you do that is by viewing other Hercublibs. So for instance, this one here, you can just click this to start earning those credits. Or if you're in the back office, you can go to earn credits here, and that's going to take you to a page where you can start to earn those credits. So once you have enough credits, then what you can do is set up this Hercublib yourself. So what you do is you go to Hercublib here, right? Remember, you have to have enough credits to be able to set up your own Hercublib. So you can see here, always ads every time we're going through the different pages. So that could be your ad. Okay, so this is a page where you can create the Hercublib. So you can see there are the most recent Hercublibs that have been created in the platform. And the gold members are at the top, and you earn more credits by viewing gold member ads. And then at the bottom there'll be pro members and then free members, right? So you can see how it's up to yourself, because you're going to use the editor what way you want your ads to appear. You can do whatever it takes to make them stand out, right? So all you do is click the submit blurb, and you can either buy the credits here, or And you can see here all the Hercublibs you receive 40 impressions for each Hercublib. So what you want to do is you can either submit with 500 credits, or you can submit with 1,000, right? So that way it appears in the different pages as well. So it all depends on you. And then what you want to do is you want to paste the link that when they click your Hercublib, they will be taken to that website. And then here is where you can paste your ad, and then you can bold it in different colors. You can play around with it to make it stand out, and then hit submit. That's the second way for you to start to drive traffic to your website for free on autopilot using the Herculist platform. The last way is using the zone, right? So all you do is click the zone there. Okay, another ad there, so you click here to continue to the zone. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings and stats to make sure that you have your website set up. So you can see here Hercublibs everywhere as you go. So what you want to do is you want to paste the URL that you want to promote in the zone, and you can actually test it there as well. Then here you can see how many views you've received so far, how many views you've earned today, how many total views you've earned, right? So you've earned views and then you've received them, right? So you earn them and you receive them. And then these are pending views, the views that are left for you to receive, right? So once you set this up here, then you can go back to the zone. And for you to earn these credits, all you have to do is view other sites. So all you do is click next site, next site, next site. So for every site that you click, for every site that you view, you earn views to your own site. So your own sites will start to appear in the zone as other people are clicking through the website as well. So those are the 3 ways which you can use Herculist to drive traffic to your website for free on autopilot. Go ahead and click the link in the description, paste the website you want to promote here, click the Get Started button. You will get your $5 sign up bonus in the back office, and then just go through the step-by-step instructions. And what you want to do is you want to do this every day in order to get that consistent traffic to your website. If you found value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, or any comments. And if you want to connect with me